Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In the opulent and meticulously controlled environment of Versailles, a sudden and dramatic fall from grace left the court in a state of shock and disbelief. Louis Roman XIV, known for his strategic brilliance, orchestrated this downfall not out of whim, but as a calculated move to reinforce his dominance. The minister, once basking in royal favor, found himself cast into the shadows, a stark reminder of the king's absolute power. This unexpected turn of events served as a chilling lesson to all. In the game of power, predictability can be a fatal flaw. Law 17 is all about wielding the power of unpredictability. By keeping others guessing, you maintain control over the narrative and the dynamics of any relationship. In today's fast-paced world, where information is abundant and attention spans are short, unpredictability becomes your secret weapon. It disrupts expectations and keeps others on their toes, ensuring that you remain at the center of their focus. This law is not just about chaos. It's about strategic surprises that keep you one step ahead. Louis Roman XIV, the Sun King, was a master practitioner of this law. His reign, spanning from 1643 to 1715, was characterized by both grandeur and a series of unexpected, often shocking decisions. By keeping his courtiers and ministers in a state of uncertainty, he ensured that his authority was never questioned. His ability to surprise and unsettle those around him was not just a tactic, but a fundamental aspect of his rule. This unpredictability made him both feared and revered, solidifying his place as one of history's most powerful monarchs. Nicolas Fouquet, Louis Roman XIV finance minister, was a rising star in the French court. His ambition and lavish displays of wealth, however, became too predictable, too visible. Fouquet failed to recognize the peril of outshining the king, a critical misstep in the delicate dance of power. His predictability made him vulnerable, and Louis seized the opportunity to make an example of him. Fouquet's arrest was a calculated move, a reminder to all that the king's favor was as unpredictable as it was essential. In 1661, the arrest of Fouquet sent shockwaves through the court. His extravagant lifestyle and unchecked ambition were perceived as direct threats to the king's authority. Louis Roman XIV needed to reassert his dominance and remind everyone of the hierarchy that placed him above all. By removing Fouquet, Louis demonstrated that no one was indispensable and that his power was absolute and unpredictable. This act of sudden retribution served as a potent warning to those who might dare to challenge or underestimate the king. Unpredictability breeds a unique form of fear, one rooted in the unknown. People are naturally anxious about what they cannot foresee or control. This fear keeps them on edge, constantly alert and attentive to your actions. By maintaining an air of unpredictability, you ensure that others are always watching, always trying to anticipate your next move. This constant state of suspense can be a powerful tool in maintaining your influence and authority. When predictability vanishes, insecurity takes its place. This insecurity draws attention, making you the focal point of others' thoughts and actions. Your unpredictability becomes a magnet, pulling focus and curiosity towards you. In a world where being noticed is half the battle, this can be a significant advantage. By keeping others guessing, you ensure that you remain unforgettable, a constant presence in their minds. In a career review, surprise your boss with achievements they never anticipated. This not only showcases your capabilities, but also keeps them curious about what you might accomplish next. By strategically revealing unexpected successes, you position yourself as a dynamic and valuable asset. This element of surprise can shift the power dynamic in your favor, making you indispensable in their eyes. In group chats or meetings, occasionally change your tone or introduce a new topic. This unpredictability keeps others engaged, always wondering what you'll contribute next. By shifting the conversation in unexpected ways, you maintain their interest and ensure that your presence is felt. This tactic not only keeps the dialogue lively, but also positions you as a thought leader, someone whose input is eagerly anticipated. Keep others in suspended terror by being unpredictable. Use this unpredictability as a tool to maintain power and influence. By ensuring that others are always guessing your next move, you create an environment where you are in control. This strategic ambiguity not only protects your position, but also enhances your authority, making you a formidable force in any arena. Master unpredictability and you master power. But what happens when you plan too much? Stay tuned for Law 18, where we explore the perils of overplanning and how it can undermine your authority. As we continue this journey through the 48 laws of power, remember that balance is key, and knowing when to surprise and when to strategize is the essence of true mastery.